So sometimes bathrooms don't smell good. Hi guys, welcome back to Simple and Healthy Mama. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're anything like me, you would like your bathroom to always smell fresh and lovely and inviting, especially when you have guests over. However, sometimes bathrooms don't smell super fresh for various reasons. I've got 2 great tips today to help you with this issue. The first tip is make sure you clean your bathroom. I know, that's not a very fun one, but I think back to college when I was dating this guy very briefly. And the first time I went over to his apartment, it was filthy, and he lit a heavily scented candle. He needed to light a candle. There needed to be something else to smell other than his filth, but I wasn't fooled. I was disgusted, and that relationship did not last for that and many other reasons. So you want to keep your bathroom as clean as possible, but I know it's not always possible, and especially if you are a mom with little boys, a parent, caregiver, where boys might be concerned and aim is sometimes an issue. Things happen in the bathroom. Yes, we want to keep it clean, but we also want to keep it smelling nice. And one thing that I think is wonderful that I learned from my friend is that you can buy a sprig of eucalyptus, fresh eucalyptus at the grocery store. I got this at Trader Joe's. It was like $3.99 or something ridiculously cheap. And of course, no video would be complete without me asking you to please help this tiny little YouTuber out by hitting like and subscribe below. And of course, the biggest compliment you can always give me is to share this with other people. So here's what I do with it. It comes with rubber bands on the bottom. I like to just hang it like this by putting a hair binder around the top and then hooking it on my shower handle. I've also seen it hooked up here. That would work. It just depends on your layout. So you just hook it there, and it gets wet every time someone takes a shower, and the steam and the splashing help keep it fresh and moist, and the water hits it and keeps it fresh for a really long time, but also continues to spread the smell of it throughout your bathroom. Now, I have an incredibly strong sense of smell, so I can actually smell one of these $4 clumps of eucalyptus for 4 months. I know that because I got one on Thanksgiving weekend for the first time, and I remember when I replaced it with the next one, and it was 4 months before I realized I couldn't really smell it anymore. Although I have to say I can still smell this plenty if I put it close to my nose, but it wasn't filling the bathroom with the smell. And it still looks pretty good. If you look really closely, you can see it's getting old and a little yellow and bleh. And like I said, the most important thing is I couldn't smell it anymore. So I've replaced it with a fresh one. We'll see how long that one lasts. But I thought you should know about this because for $3.99, it made me happy every time I walked into my bathroom and I got that little whiff of fresh eucalyptus. All right, guys, until next time, you've got this, guys.